Overall, my experience with Sure Hair International has been great. All the doctors that have helped me through my time here at Sure Hair have been amazing. They've all helped me with any questions that I've had.
I'm going to present John today. He's 36 years old and had a strip transplant with us 8 months ago. And you can see what he looked like pre-transplant. He was essentially a Norwood 5 pattern. You can see that there's some hair in the anterior and superior scalp, but very decreased density. And we performed a strip transplant to fill in the anterior 1/3 to 1/2 of the scalp. Immediately post-transplant, you can see the area that was transplanted, again about 1/3 to 1/2 of the scalp. And you can see very clearly there's a high density regrowth of the anterior scalp. The hairline is very natural. Turn to your left, please. To left. You can see again the high density, the naturalness, and essentially there's no see-through pattern here. It's a very, very good result. So John, what do you think of your transplant?
I'm very happy with the results so far. I could not ask for more.
Have people commented on your transplant?
Yes, I've definitely got comments, and more people are really surprised by how much more hair I have now at this time than previous. Had a transplanter are coming up to me and saying, "Well, you have grown out your hair," and I just kind of give a little smile and say, "Yes, that's what I've done. I've just grown out my hair." But I'm really amazed by just the overall response that I've been getting.
To anybody who's looking to do a hair transplant, looking at you today, what advice do you have for them?
Me personally, I would definitely recommend going the hair transplant route. I know from personal experience, just living with losing my hair and seeing it become less and less over time, it just eats away at you. And there's definitely help out there, so I would definitely recommend taking advantage, finding a way to do it and making it happen. Overall, my experience with Sure Hair International has been great. All the doctors that have helped me through my time here at Sure Hair have been amazing. They've all helped me with any questions that I've had, and anytime I've needed to get in contact with them, they've been very available to answer any questions that I've had.